Hello, today I will be talking about nylon. It was created in the mid-1930s by Wallace Carothers and his team when they set out to find a commercial use for polymers. They were a group of scientists that worked for DuPont, which was a company originally created in 1802 to create black gunpowder. When they were trying to find a use for polymers, they created a prototype polymer which they called Fiber 66. It is now known as nylon. Fast forward 3 years later, and DuPont was capable of spinning 12 billion pounds of Fiber 66 in their factory. It was used in the Second World War to create parachutes. It was called Fiber 66 because two different molecules were combined to create repeat units of 6 carbon atoms. The two molecules were hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. Now we're going to be talking about the molecules that give nylon its properties. It has 6 carbon, 11 hydrogen, 1 oxygen, and 1 nitrogen atom. Carbon has the ability to bond with a lot of different elements, including oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur, etc. At standard temperatures, hydrogen is non-toxic, odorless, and colorless. Oxygen bonds easily with carbon and hydrogen. It is also an odorless gas. Nylon fibers are called polymides. Proteins such as silk are also called polymides due to their similar structures. This gives nylon similar properties as silk, but much less expensive to manufacture. Nylon is made up of covalent bonds, otherwise known as molecular bonds. These are chemical bonds that involve the sharing of electron pairs between atoms. Each molecule is consisted of 100 or more repeating units of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms strung in a chain. A filament of nylon may have 1,000,000 or more molecules, each taking some of the strain when the filament is stretched. This is why clothing made out of nylon seem to be threaded really finely. Nylon is unique because it can be melted and reshaped multiple times without losing its structural integrity. It's also extremely durable for its weight. It's used in seatbelts, bulletproof vests, toothbrushes, etc. It has very good abrasion resistance, which means you can scrape against it as much as you want, but it won't tear. Some ways that nylon benefits people every day are: it is used in toothbrushes, which are only recommended to be changed out once every 3 months. It is also used in the army for ballistic vests. Another use for nylon, which is becoming really common these days, is wrinkle-proof suit.